Welcome to TechUnity. This video explains our personal asset tracking application. In today's busy world, an average person misplaces 3 to 5 critical assets annually. This can cost individuals an average of $3,000 to replace the specific assets. Implementing our personal asset tracking system can cost an individual less than $25 per year. This is an insignificant price to pay when compared to the replacement cost of the lost critical assets. The price for a Bluetooth tag is less than $10, and the price for using our PAT application is less than $5 annually. Additionally, the app can be easily downloaded and installed from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. PAT is an innovative personal asset tracking and monitoring solution, and was explicitly created to track and monitor critical assets like children, keys, wallets, bags, luggage cases, and pets. PAT displays in real time the local presence of tagged assets. Once an asset is tagged, the app displays the immediate presence of the asset, and triggers an alarm when the asset strays up too far. If an asset ventures out of range, the app has a complete history of the GPS locations where that asset was last seen. This history enables users to trace the locations where the asset was last spotted, and is utilized to find and reclaim the lost asset. PAT also enables users to report lost assets onto the PAT network, and the PAT Cloud solution is able to make missing assets known to all the users on the PAT network. Lost assets are highlighted on the network, and the profiles can be shared with local security and law enforcement agencies. This simplifies and expedites the process of locating and reclaiming lost critical assets. To know more about our personal asset tracking application, please contact us at any of our global offices, or call us directly at 202-747-3443 or email us at publicrelations@techunity.com. You can also visit us at any of our social media sites.